Hey guys, today we're going to be working with slope-intercept form. We're going to begin by identifying the slope and the y-intercept of the graph y equals 3x minus 4. We're going to begin by getting the y term by itself on the left side if it's not already. The y term is by itself on the left side, so we're good there. We're going to recognize that the number in front of the x term is my slope. So we're going to take the 3 in front of the x term, and that is our slope of 3. The number behind the x term is our y-intercept. Be sure to include the minus sign if the term is negative. Here the term is negative, so our y-intercept is negative 4. Now let's look at when we are writing an equation in slope-intercept form when we are given the slope and the y-intercept. We're going to write the expression y equals mx plus b, leaving a space in place of the m and the b. In place of the m, we will insert the value of the slope. The slope being negative 2/3, we'll put negative 2/3 in front of the x. In place of b, we will insert the value for the y-intercept. The y-intercept being 4, we will insert a 4, and that will become our y-intercept. Our equation is now in slope-intercept form with our slope and our y-intercept. Let's take a look when writing an equation from a graph. We're going to use the graph that's listed on the coordinate plane. We're going to find the slope by inputting the 2 coordinates from the graph into the slope formula. Let's go ahead and pick 2 points. We're going to label them, and we're going to put them into our slope formula. We are left with 0 minus 3 over 5 minus 0. This will simplify to become negative 3 over 5. We're then going to find the y-intercept, which is the value where the line crosses the y-axis of my coordinate plane. The line crosses at positive 3 on the coordinate plane, so my y-intercept, or b, is 3. We're now going to write the expression using y equals mx plus b form, substituting negative 3/5 in for the m and 3 in for the b. This becomes my equation written in slope-intercept form of the line on the graph. Let's look at writing an equation when using 2 points. For the 2 coordinate pairs, 3, 2, and negative 3, 0, we're going to input the 2 coordinates into the slope formula. We're left with 0 minus 2 over negative 3 minus 3. This will simplify to becoming negative 2 over negative 6. This will simplify to become 1/3. We're now going to input the slope of m, which is 1/3, and one of the coordinate pairs in for x and for y into our slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. I used the first coordinate pair, which is the 3 goes in for the x and the 2 went in for the y, and we brought down our m. We're now going to solve for b. The 3 being multiplied by 1 divided by 3 will become 1. They also simplify out. We're now left with 2 equals 1 plus b. We're going to subtract the 1 from both sides, and we're left with b equals 1. We now write our solution in the form of y equals mx plus b using 1/3 in for m and 1 in for b. Our solution is y equals 1/3 x plus 1. Now let's look at graphing a linear equation. What is the graph of y equals 3x minus 2? We're going to begin by plotting a point 0, comma b on the y-axis for the value of b. That is my y-intercept. We're going to substitute in the negative 2 in for the b, so we're going to plot our point on 0, negative 2. We're now going to move for the slope m in fraction form. Our slope being 3 as a fraction is 3 over 1. So that we are going to rise 3 and run 1. This becomes our next point. We draw a line through our 2 points, and we have our graph. Hope this helps. Leave your question comments below. Please subscribe. Have a great day.